Every leader talks, but not every leader communicates effectively. The distinction lies in communication that inspires action compared to words that fall flat. Today, I will share the secrets of leadership communication that can unlock your team's potential, boost performance, and foster a culture where people want to follow you. These are practical strategies you can start applying today. No fluff, just results. Clarity is the cornerstone of leadership communication. If your team doesn't understand the mission, priorities, or expectations, even the best strategies will fail. Great leaders clearly articulate the why behind every initiative, the what that needs to happen, and the how their team can contribute. When everyone is aligned, you create a sense of unity and efficiency within your team. Decisions are made faster, mistakes decrease, and engagement soars. Most leaders think communication is about talking, but the truth is, it's about listening, really listening. When you actively listen, you make your team feel valued and integral to the communication process. It's also important to adapt your communication style to different team members or situations. Some team members might prefer direct, to-the-point communication, while others may appreciate a more empathetic approach. Understanding these preferences and adjusting your communication style accordingly can build stronger connections and motivate your team. Ask clarifying questions, reflect on what you heard, and pay attention to tone, body language, and emotions. Active listening builds trust and uncovers insights that you wouldn't gain otherwise. It is a secret weapon for unlocking your team's potential. Consistency and transparency create credibility. Teams need to know that your words match your actions and that they can rely on your communication. Be consistent with updates and expectations. Share context, even if it's not ideal news, and avoid surprises whenever possible. When teams trust your communication, engagement, initiative, and accountability naturally increase. Feedback is a critical communication tool, but it must be delivered effectively. Give feedback promptly, focus on behavior rather than personality, and balance praise with constructive input. Teams perform at their best when they know what's expected, what they're doing well, and where they can improve. When done right, feedback motivates instead of demoralizes. Leaders who tell stories do more than give instructions, they inspire action. Stories help your team understand the vision, connect emotionally with the goal, and see how their work matters. A well-placed story turns abstract strategies into something tangible, relatable, and memorable. To recap. Communicate with clarity. Listen actively. Be consistent and transparent. Deliver feedback that motivates. Use storytelling to inspire action. Master these communication secrets, and you'll unlock your team's potential, boost engagement, and drive measurable results for your organization. These skills have the power to transform your leadership. If you want more actionable leadership strategies, subscribe and check out my next video, where I share how to turn these communication skills into measurable team performance. Remember, great leaders aren't just heard, they're understood, trusted, and followed. Subscribe now and start leading smarter. www.youtube.com/@OpsMinded1 #OpsMinded #leadership lessons #failure to success #team wins